Morning class, welcome to our college, Sharad Institute of Technology, Polytechnic, EDRA, Department of Information Technology. On today's start 13th lecture on course, that is data structure using C. Here vision mission statement of our department. Departmental vision statement is that to excel in information technology engineering education, to produce professionally competent engineers with lifelong learning attitude for accomplishment of ever-growing needs of society and industry. Departmental mission statement, in there these statements are there. First, to provide quality education through effective teaching learning methodologies with simulating environment for preparing technical and professional competent engineering. Second, to build up professional skills in students that will help them to succeed and progress in their personal and professional career. Third, to embed professional ethics and social responsibilities in students for society and environment. Syllabus for the total 5 units are there and their marks allocation. Unit number 3, stacks and queues, queue and their syllabus. Okay. In that, continue the point applications of stacks. Okay, in the previous lectures we also seen that the reversing a list, Polish notation, after that conversion infix to postfix, evaluation postfix, converting infix to prefix, evaluation of prefix, recursion, and Tower of Onai means, for example, your application is backtracking, means gaming system. Tower of Onai means it is a one type of game system. So these are the all are the applications of stack. So recursion, what is meant by recursion is already completed, already done in a previous semester in a C language, and under the C language you know what is meant by recursion. In short, recursion means one type of function that call itself again. Okay, this function called itself is known as the recursion. Recursion means repeated this process, this function is executed, that is said as the recursion. Okay. A function is a block of statements that can be used to perform a specific task. Okay. When a function definition includes a call to itself, it is referred to as the recursive function, and the process is known as the recursion or circular definition. Also said as the recursion or a circular definition. What is this said as a circular? Because this function is called itself again and again, repeated. So it is said as the circular definition. A recursive function is said to be well defined if it is satisfies the following two properties. Which are the two properties? The arguments passed to the recursive function must have certain base values for which the function does not call itself. In simple words, a recursive function must be include a conditions or statement to terminate the function. Second, each time the function call itself directly or indirectly, the arguments of the functions must get closer to the base value. In each recursive call, the current values of the parameters, local variables, and return address where the control has to return from the call are required to be sorted. The sorting all these values a stack is maintained. When a recursive function is called for the first time, a space is the set aside in the memory to execute this call, and recursive and function body is executed. Then the second call to the function is made, again space is set for this call, and so on. Means in a function, what is meant by function? Recursive means one function is called itself again and again. When first time is called, that space is in memory location executed, and their function body is executed. After that, again this second time again function is called, again that space is to be set and their function body is executed, so on. Okay, whenever our condition is false. This memory area for each function call are arranged in the stack. Each time of the function is called, if its memory area places on the top of the stack and removed when the executions of the call is completed, shown in a below figure. Means what? First of all, we already know what is the concept of recursion. Okay, but in that use the using stack, how to recursion function is done. Okay, first is the empty stack. One time function is called, when second time call, okay, again second, third call, means their function body is executed, means memory allocation. And memory deallocation, how to memory are deallocated? Okay, it is a stack. So last in first out. So last call is first executed. After that second. After that first. Okay, one by one that are removed. After that empty stack will be allocated. Means it is a memory deallocation. It is a memory allocation. Memory provided in that memory will be in that stack, one by one are removed. Okay, this is a stack is used. Means in short, one data is input, after another data is input, but in that functions are there. So first time function call, after second function call, after that third function call. When is deallocated, that first of all third call function is executed, after second, after that one. That's like, this is a program to calculate factorial of given number using recursion in a C. This is a program is already you know. Okay, in that it is there the error files. It is the function is there three types: function definition, function call, function declaration. Okay, this is the function declaration. After this is a function call, and this is a function definition. Okay, in that declare no return value and no arguments. The variable declaration, their input will be executed in that function call, that output will be displayed, and your function is closed. In that function definition means in that check that which number we given. What is meant by factorial means, okay, for example given the factorial 5 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that answer is 120. That's like what is meant by factorial. For example we given the number 1, so his answer is obviously 1. Okay, for example given the 5 number, okay, input the number 5, it is a condition is false, so else part is executed. Return 5 means 5 into fact f minus 1 means 5 minus 1 4, again fact 4, again fact 4 function is called, means again this body is executed, again 5 into 4, again 3. This like last one, when one is inputted, that time, or one is f minus 1, okay, up to one condition their value is 1, that time this condition is executed, okay, and that time return to 120. Here and another one example is program to compute the nth numbers of Fibonacci series. Fibonacci series means what? 0 1. Okay, these two numbers is next number, sorry, these two numbers addition is next number, this two addition next is next number, 1 plus 1 2, 2 1 plus 3 3 2 5 5 3 8. That's like okay, these are in that also again they use the function. Okay, this is recursion, so in that must be function is used. Error files, this is the function declaration. Okay, this is your function factorial. Okay, these are the function declaration. After that is variable declaration. In that input enter range of the Fibonacci series, okay, up to range wherever you want to Fibonacci's of that numbers. Okay, first of all this 0 and 1 first of all that declare or said as the assign the values. Okay, that two values 0 and 1, in their function will be called. For example I am given the 8, okay, in that given the n means your input as a 8, okay, 0 1 obviously is assigned, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 2, up to n 8 series, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, clear? Their function will be called function definition. In that check static, first is 0 and second is 1. Okay, already these are the display. In that display these numbers. After that n is equal to 0 condition is true, then first plus second, 0 plus 1 sum is 1. Again next change that first and second value, second as the first means in the second which are 0 1 2 is 1 is there as the second, and their sum is the second as the first and sum is the second, means 1 is the first and then next one is the second. Okay, so 1 plus 1 next 2, again next 2 is considered as the second, 1 is considered as the first, plus 2 3. Okay, this sum condition statement is run. Okay, up to n minus 1 means the function is called again and again, so it is said as the recursion. These are the recursion functions program. Okay, recursion point is important because two times question is asked. One is the theory part, one time asked to theory part, and one time asked to the factorial program. Okay, so it is important. As compared to that tower of Onai, no any question is arise on these points. Okay, only for ask this recursion point. Next, Tower of Onai. In that, the Tower of Onai puzzles was invented by the French mathematician Edouard Lucas in 1883. Means what? It is a one type of puzzle system. Okay, means backtracking, means their game like. Okay, Tower of Onai is a mathematical puzzles which consist of 3 towers. Okay, pegs also said as the, and more than one rings is the depicted in the following figure. For example, in that said as the disc is as the this disc is small, this disc is largest. These are the towers. These rings are of the different sizes in a stacked upon in a ascending order. That is, the smallest one sits over the largest one. Okay, there are more variations of the puzzles where the number of discs increases, but the towers count remains the same. Okay, discs are more, but the towers will be same or fixed. Rules. What is the rules? How to solve these puzzles? The missions of the move all the discs to some another tower without break the sequence of arrangement. Means your puzzles is what? This is the arrangement in a tower 1. Same arrangement will be in a destination tower. Okay, this is this is source tower. It is destination tower. This is a auxiliary tower. Means the temporary type. Okay, how will you display the temporary variable? That's like it's a temporary tower. Okay, so our vision is that the sequence, this arrangement is same to the move to the in a destination tower. Okay, how will be possible? How will we solve? That's rules are there. The few rules to be followed by the Tower of Onai. Okay, only one disc can be moved another the towers at any given time. Only the top disc can be removed. No large disc can sit over a small disc. Okay, this when no large disc means your ring can sit over the small disc or ring. In a figure shows the represent of the solving Tower of Onai puzzles in their 3 discs. Okay, using through examples through or figures to clear your point. In that first step, 0 step. Okay, there this is your source. Okay, your original arrangement in a step 1. Okay, this is a, for example, we said as a tower, source, destination and auxiliary. So in that first is change in a this tower to first tower to second tower. Okay, move it. Third step, second ring move to the third tower. In that again, what is the next step? The second tower ring or disc are moved to the third tower. Again in the fifth step, in the first tower the disc is moved to the second tower. In the next fifth step, what is the step? That are the in a third tower the disc is moved to the first tower. Clear? The sixth step, the second disc is moved to the in a second disc on in a third tower are moved in a second tower. Clear that? Then in a seventh step, their first tower will be moved in a second tower, just like, and your answer is done. Means you are arranging it in a first tower is you are arranging the disc or ring that are moved in a second tower, but no any change the sequence. That is the solve that puzzles. That is said as the Onai of Tower of Onai. Tower of Onai puzzles with n disc can be solved in a minimum 2 raised to n minus 1 steps. For example, your disc is 3 means their disc. Okay, disc is 3 or ring is 3 means 2 raised to 3 minus 1 means 2 raised to 3 8 minus 1 7 means 7 steps will be executed. 7 steps. After the 7th step, your answer will be display, means you got the answer, solve your puzzle. The presentation shown that the puzzles with the 3 discs has taken 2 raised to 3 minus 1 means 7 steps. Algorithm. What is the algorithm? This is the same. Okay, only for in a said as the algorithm. To write an algorithm for Tower of Hanoi, first we need to learn how to solve this problem with the lesser amount to this says as the 1 or 2. We mark the 3 towers with the name, source, destination and X means only to help moving the disk, means temporary disk like. If we have only one disk, then it is easily to move from source to destination peg. In a tower is said as also peg. If we have 2 disks, okay, first we move the smallest means top disk to the X peg, means this is the source, this is the destination, this is the auxiliary said as the X. Okay, then we move to the larger means bottom, we consider as only for 2 disk, okay, 2 ring. So larger means bottom disk is to the move to the destination peg. Okay, again finally we move the smallest disk from auxiliary to destination, 0th step. Okay, these are 2 disks are there. In the first step, first 8 to means source to auxiliary, after that source to destination, next step that auxiliary to destination, their result will be found. So now we are in a position of the design and algorithm for Tower of Hanoi with more than 2 disks. Okay, we divide the stacks of the disk in 2 parts. The largest disk is nth disk is one part of, and all other n-1 disks are in the second part. Our ultimate aim is to move the disk n from source to destination and then put all others n1 disk onto it. We can imagine to apply the same in a recursive way for the all given sets of a disk. The steps are given below. Step 1, move n-1 disk from source to auxiliary. After that, move the nth disk from source to destination. After that, move n-1 disk from auxiliary to destination. Okay, this algorithm is said as the, okay, these are the same as the recursive function, means in that also functions are declared and that functions are called itself, means again and again, means repeated that function is called. So it is said as the it is under in a recursive. Recursive algorithm for Tower of Hanoi can be driven is as given. Procedure of Hanoi, what is the, which arguments are passed? Disk, source, destination and auxiliary. That is aux. If disk is equal to 1, then move the disk from source to destination. Only for one disk is present, then directly move to the source to destination. Else that function is called. Okay, and end if. Program, using program, how to that solve it? There are the function header files. These are the function your declaration, that variable declaration, their inputs are there. Okay, that function is called. Okay, ABC means that declare that source, destination and auxiliary. That is a function definition. In that, for n less than is equal to 0 means your illegal number of disks. Okay, and -1 is enter the press, then it is illegal number of disks. N is equal to 1 means that automatically source to auxiliary means source to that destination. Okay, means that source to destination, rightly this that move it. Okay, in a auxiliary mean see the in a ABC. Okay, in that the C tower the result will be displayed. N is equal to 1, then their function calls, their functions are there, their functions are called again and again. Okay, because repeat the your statements. Okay, your moving disks are repeated the statements, means you use the recursive functions. Output will be displayed. For example, your enter disk is 3. Okay, then first of all move from A to C, after that A to B. Okay, again it means in a finally in a auxiliary the result will be in a destination tower, the output will be got. Summary, in under the application of stack, recursive, that is recursion and Tower of Hanoi. These points are completed. Homework, continue the assignment number 3. Continue the next question. Explain the concept of recursion using stack and define the return recursion. Write a program in a C to display the factorial of a entered numbers using recursion. In short, the ask the question in the on the point of recursion. Okay, no any question to ask in a tour of Onai, but in case in your exam question is asked, maximum only for question is asked for in a theory part. Okay, no any programs are asked. Okay, only for your knowledge purpose I'm that given that program is added. Okay, but not need to the program is study, only for their concepts is clear, that means what is meant by tower of Onai and how to solve the puzzles. Okay, through diagrammatically that explain that point. Okay, that 2 points are important only for that theory parts, what is meant by tower of Onai, and after that how will be solved, how will be that problem or that puzzle using through diagrammatically that solve it, that's only for important it. Okay, here stop on that here stop on today's lecture. In that lecture any points are arise, doubts are arise, then contact with me. Thank you.